When I find a good product, I would like to share it with you. And this product is biscuits and gravy. And I found this product is Bisquick buttermilk biscuits, and they are fabulous. I got this to try the Bisquick Biscuits mix, and I love it. And then I also got the Pioneer gravy mix, and I'm telling you, this is delicious. This is for those who do not know how to get up in the morning and make biscuits and gravy. Well, here's what you need to do. You need to get this Bisquick buttermilk complete biscuit mix. All you have to do is add water, and this Pioneer pepper gravy mix. All you have to do is add water. Follow the instructions in the back, and you will not go wrong with a beautiful biscuit and gravy breakfast. This channel will tell you how to eat, and I would like to show you some things that's easy and get you out the kitchen. And I'm not promoting this. I'm just giving you this product because it is fabulous. And something fabulous, I have to share it with you. This channel will tell you how to eat, and thank you for coming to my channel.